Prince Phil Nicholson. Here we go again. Ako na naman pala. Kate. Hi kids! Hi teens! Ang gaganda nila. White collections. So all white. Okay, for most versatile actor. Versatile actor? Makita nyo na? Aba, pinakamagaling umarte? Ibig sabihin ba nun, pag sinabi kong iyak, luluha agad? Hindi naman, okay? Congratulations, Mr. Aaron Isaac Manuel. Ayun ang pa-picture. Okay, for our best drama actress. Aba? Abangan kita sa teleserye, ha? Miss Angelina Flor Maquedan. Okay, for our best drama actor. Sino kaya? JM? JB? Okay, for our best drama actor, congratulations, Mr. Jericho Mateo Yap. For most talented, meaning to say, lahat. Singing, dancing, modeling, acting, pagkain ng bubog, most talented na? Pwede yun. Okay, for most talented, Miss Sandara Park, Miss Janela Marie Esquivel. Sandara Park na o Kim Chu? Kim Chu, ayaw mo Sandara. Okay, congratulations, Jan. Okay, for our best okay, that's all. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look. Our Fashionista White Collection Wear, our World Shoppers 2010. Congrats!